Viewers, cutting across to a breaking news now. A US plane carrying 119 illegal immigrants is likely to land at Amritsar airport today. This is the second such batch of Indian deportees from the US. According to official sources, the plane is expected to land at the airport around 10 p.m. Among the 119 illegal Indian immigrants, 67 hail from Punjab, 33 from Haryana, 8 from Gujarat, 3 from Uttar Pradesh, 2 each from Goa, Maharashtra and Rajasthan, and 1 each from Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Let's go across to Lalit, my colleague, who's now joining us live. Lalit, a very good morning to you. Now, the second plane is expected to land in India after Prime Minister Modi said that the government has expressed cooperation with the US in taking back the illegals, and he vowed to crack down on the ecosystem that lures the innocent people via illegal routes to US. But the Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has stirred a controversy, and he's asking why is the plane landing only in Amritsar out of all the other states. What more details are you picking up in that regard?
Well, Kirti, if you talk about the way yesterday the Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, have targeted the center and said that why the land of Punjab is being used for landing the planes of the deported illegal migrants from the US. What is the reason behind that, and what is the criteria that why Amritsar or the Punjab land is being used for landing? So all these questions have been put by the Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann. Even Bhagwant Mann have alleged that to tarnish the image of Punjab and Punjabis, that majority of them go to the foreign land through illegal way. So this is the way to tarnish the Punjabis and the state Punjab. So looking into this now, this controversy has been erupted. But Kirti, if we talk about it's going to be the second plane carrying 119 Indians who would be landing around 10 in the Amritsar airport today. But the big question arises that whether all the 119 deported immigrants would be chained or not, as when on 5th February 104 deportees were being sent back, they were all chained, their hands and legs. But after facing a lot of criticism in the parliament, so there has been a pressure over the center, and that issue has been raised with the US. So it would be interesting to see and look at whether this time the 119 deportees which would be landing today in the evening around 10 would be chained or not. Apart from that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi even had a word regarding these illegal immigrants with the US President Donald Trump. So it would be very important to see all these. Kirti, one thing more. Today and tomorrow also one more plane would be landing in Amritsar. So in the consecutive 2 days, today and tomorrow, 2 planes carrying these deported immigrants from the US would be landing in Punjab.